Hello, this is a video tutorial on the Real 3D Pro Color Creator.
Beta testing. Real 3D Pro Color Creator. Real 3D Pro Color Creator is now available for beta testing. This program allows creators to build and color 3D models using a fast, streamlined workflow designed for real production use. As this is a beta test version, some tools, visuals, or performance may change as development continues. Thank you for helping test and improve Real 3D Pro Color Creator.
Okay, we'll start with geometry panel. This is a regular version, the member or gold version. This is the premium version. We'll go block. Let's see. Over here's the sizing, scale, delete, move. We can move it. We can resize it. Okay. We'll go over here. We're going to extrude a hole in it. We'll put a heart-shaped hole in it. We got to take the size down quite a bit. This is pretty small. Let's see. So I'll right-click on the top, and then I'll put cut hole. You see it cut a hole in it. Let's see. We'll go over here. Geometry. We'll put down a heart. We'll resize the heart. Well, let's move it over a little. Okay, let's close that out for now. I'm going to go back to scale, resize it some more. We'll go over here. We'll make it kind of a pinkish color. Go back to panels. We'll add the default text. I'm going to rotate it. We'll move it. Resize it. Move it a little more. Okay. Export it as a 3MF. Open it in Orca Slicer. It'll open in color. You might have to orientate it a little bit, but it'll open and print in color. That concludes this first tutorial. Actually, it prepped my second, but I updated the online software video thing package too. So talk to you soon.